Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Qayyum from Q's Basic Cooking. I'm going to make some zucchini soup today for the days when you are under the weather or you feel like having something light. One of my favorite is the zucchini soup. You can have some celery. If you want, you can add some leafy part. 2 cloves of garlic, 2 small carrots, 2 or 3 zucchini. You can peel it all the way, or you can just peel it like that, and it will leave some fiber on. That's healthy, and it will also look good. It will add some color to the soup. There you go, just do it like that. Alright, so and part of that pepper can just go in there, no cutting too much. Cut it from the middle. You can cut it in 2, or you could cut it in 4. And then just hold it on an angle and fry it. Done. Now the carrots have to be cut into teeny tiny little pieces. Just cut it into small chunks, and then just make small pieces. No big pieces of carrots in this soup, just teeny tiny little pieces. If you want, you can run the knife over it. Okay. For the pepper, just 2 or 3 big pieces will do. You can just leave them in the soup, and just for a little bit of heat. Same with celery. Not too big and not too small. For garlic, just smash it down with your hand, the palm of your hand, just like that. Chop and chop. Make it very small if you want, or you can leave it like that. I don't mind, but you know, if somebody doesn't like big pieces, just chop it down to teeny tiny little pieces. Alright, let's get started with the soup. First thing we'll go is the garlic in a tablespoon of olive oil. 1 or 2 spoons of oil will do, just for the garlic. All of our veggies are ready. You can see celery, carrots, pepper, and the zucchini. Adding the garlic. Toast it with a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, white cumin seeds. I think the garlic is done. Adding all the vegetables at the same time. Go ahead and toss them into garlic and olive oil. go. Since the soups are all about healing and comfort, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric will be very beneficial in this soup. 1.5 tablespoons of chicken consomme. This is the halal version, the kosher one. So that's around 2 tablespoons. This is why I'm not going to add any salt. Few red pepper flakes. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, that's optional too. 1 or 2 bay leaf. 6 to 8 cups of water. There you go. We are halfway done with the zucchini soup. Just need to bring it to a boil. This soup is simmering now. It cooks very fast. Now that the soup is simmering, we are going to take 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and add it to 1/2 cup of lukewarm water, and then we are going to mix it. Okay. When the zucchini is soft, we are going to add it. Okay, I checked the salt. It's very good. Zucchini is getting soft. Let's add the cornstarch. Adding the cornstarch, and now I'm going to stir it. This will make the soup thick. Oh, those steams can let you see. And also 2 tablespoons of vinegar. It's optional, but it does give soup a very good flavor that really heats you up from inside. 1 tablespoon of dry cilantro or fresh cilantro. Mix it well. Cover it. ये लीजिए, हमारा गर्मा गर्म तोरी या तुरई का सूप है, जिसको यहाँ पे जुकीनी भी बोलते हैं. अब ये देखें कितना अच्छा बना है. मैं थोड़ा सा आपकी प्लेट में डालती हूँ. Our zucchini soup and zucchini and carrot soup is ready. So let me plate some for you. Okay, soup is ready. Please try to make it and let me know how you like it. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Let me know how I'm doing. This is my very healthy zucchini and carrot soup that I'm going to have now. I can't wait. It's so delicious. Please do try it. Thank you. Bye bye.